a charge q microcoulomb is placed at the center of cube. If epsilon 0 is permittivity of vacuum, then the flux through one phase, flux through what? One phase and two opposite faces of the cube is respectively. Now, see here, we are having charge q is kept at the center of the cube, and cube has how many faces? Cube has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. Now, as far as charge q is concerned, charge q produces q by epsilon 0 amount of electric flux, where epsilon 0 is permittivity of vacuum. So, from the charge q, q by epsilon 0 amount of electric flux is produced, and that q by epsilon 0 flux will pass through all the 6 faces of the cube. Therefore, what we can say? Flux passing through 6 faces of cube. Flux passing through how many faces? 6 faces of cube. What is the flux passing through 6 faces of cube? Phi is equal to q divided by epsilon 0. So, through all the 6 faces of cube, flux passing through all 6 faces of cube is phi equal to q divided by epsilon 0. Now, through 6 faces, q by epsilon 0 flux is passing. So, through one face of cube, what is the flux passing? Through one face of cube, flux passing through one face of cube, it is 1/6 of q by epsilon 0. So, it is flux passing through one face of cube is q divided by 6 epsilon 0, q divided by 6 epsilon 0. Now, the flux passing through two opposite faces, flux passing through two opposite faces, flux passing through two opposite faces of cube. These are the opposite faces, means flux passing through two opposite faces means flux passing through two faces. So, it is 2 times flux passing through one phase. What is flux passing through one phase? It is q divided by 6 epsilon 0. Flux passing through two opposite faces is nothing but 2 times flux passing through one phase. So, here 2 1s are 2 3s are. So, flux passing through two opposite faces, it is q divided by 3 epsilon 0. So, flux passing through one phase is q by 6 epsilon 0. Flux passing through one phase is q divided by 6 epsilon 0, and flux passing through two opposite faces, it is q divided by 3 epsilon 0. So, out of 4 options, which option is correct? Look at option number A, q divided by 6 epsilon 0 and q divided by 3 epsilon 0. So, the correct option for this question is option A. Option A.